Hey, what's up guys, Droll here and I'm back. I feel like I just make a bunch of comeback videos, upload few tutorials and disappear for months and then I do it all over again. And it makes sense because I still don't want YouTube as my full-time career, but at the same time I need a job, I need money, and for that I'm more than happy doing this. Don't take it wrong way, I love doing Photoshop and everything, but I still want to explore new options in my life since I'm so young. Where was I for last 3 months? Well, I just came back from 18-day Europe trip, and before that I spent the entire month preparing for the trip, visas, money, packing, etc. And before that I did nothing because I didn't feel like working on my Photoshop project, and it also started showing into my work because some of these projects are just straight up garbage, like there's no other explanations. So I stopped working and did nothing. Which was also a horrible idea because not having to do anything, especially not having a routine or schedule, kind of fucks you up, especially with your creativity and your mental health. I feel a lot better now though, so even though I don't want this as a career, I have decided to work on my channel and upload one video every week, like at least one video every week. And also share some things on my Instagram and be a little more connected on my social media and etc. Meanwhile, I still have no idea what I want to do with my career, so at this point I'm just gonna continue working on this channel, and on the other hand I'm also starting some classes just for fun, and maybe I will try for graduation next year. Till then, this is the plan and I hope I stick to it this time. No crazy promises like one video every other day or like 3 videos a week or any of that nonsense. I'm just gonna try to make one good quality video every week, and if I can, I will try to add another video, maybe a small 2-3 minute video every week as well. I also decided to run a Patreon campaign and realized that I don't have enough energy in me to keep up with all the stuff, and right now the Patreon is just dead. Maybe once channel becomes more active, I will make dedicated video just for Patreon and connect with you guys in different way, other than just making these tutorials. So and I also bought a new MacBook and that also cost me a lot, but I'm happy with the quality of display and battery life, which was the most important to me. Also it's tiny and portable, I love it. So once I figure out how to properly record and edit on this machine, I will make more videos. And if anyone has any idea, feel free to share because I am still having hard time figuring out how to do everything with this laptop. And that's pretty much it. I will see you soon. I already have the file ready. All I have to do is do the recording and editing for that. Here you can see the final output if you are interested, just a little sneak peek, and that's it. Till then, goodbye, take care and have some fun with Photoshop.